Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how we can prepare a fish stew. So we are going to need one medium onion. Yes, you peel it well and then you slice it. So I'm here slicing my onion. It's always very good to have your ingredients ready before you start with the process of cooking, so that you don't panic, you don't burn anything. Yes, so I'm preparing the ingredients. You set them aside, and then we shall need a green pepper, yes, the green pepper also adds some aroma to the sauce. Yes, slice it well. Set them also aside and put the green pepper somewhere. So now we shall need a carrot. Yes, I'll put in a carrot in the stew, so you peel it very well. Yes, you can peel it well, but you don't need too much carrots, eh? So after peeling it well, we are going to also slice it into medium pieces, not too small and not too big. So that when you're eating your fish, you also feel the taste of the carrot, you know. Yes, so I'm slicing my carrot here. So after cutting them, we also set them aside. You know, we are using the same chopping board. So after that, we shall also need 2 tomatoes. Yes, I've put 3. Yes, I put 3. Yes, with the tomatoes, I decided to peel my tomatoes because I don't want the peelings of the tomatoes to appear in the stew. So that's why I decided to peel them, because I don't have tomato paste. So, but these ones will also work very well because you will not be able to see the peelings of the tomatoes in the stew. It's better to peel them. Yes. So another thing, we shall need some garlic. Also slice it into small pieces. Yeah, I just did it with a knife. So that it can be in very, very small pieces. You know, some people don't want to taste the garlic itself, so you try as much as you can to slice it in very small pieces. Yes. After that, we also set the garlic aside. This is a green pepper, this is my garlic, this is my onions and carrots, tomatoes, and then this is the fish that you're going to make the stew. And then this is my curry powder. I'll also need some Reiko, some mixed spices, and salt, or not forgetting cooking oil. So now so we are going to add the cooking oil to the saucepan, and after that I add there some onions. Yes, let's fry the onions. And then the carrots, and then I add there some garlic, and then green pepper, then add the tomatoes. So we are going to wait for the tomatoes to get ready. Then we can also add there salt. And then we add there our curry powder. And then we add there some mixed spices. Add the Reiko too. Stir very well. Yeah, you can add there some little water to just make them thick. And then after that you can add the fish now to the ingredients. Yes, you can add there the pieces of fish. Because now this fish is pre-cooked, we don't need to boil the fish for so long because it's almost ready. Yeah, so after that we can add their water. And we're going to give it like about 10 minutes and our fish stew will be ready. Yes, the fish stew will be ready. Like you can see, it's all looking yummy. So delicious. Wow. So after I've served it with rice, some avocado. I'll also have some pineapple for my dessert.